15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. English words that are often misunderstood by Japanese people due to their pronunciation. I said rice. Pronunciation can change the meaning. What might people hear? It may sound like lice. It may sound like lice. Please turn on the light. This pronunciation is difficult for Japanese speakers. What happens if you mispronounce it? It may sound like right. It may sound like right. Do you have a glass? The sounds are very similar. What could people misunderstand? It may sound like grass. It may sound like grass. Please give me a sheet. You need to be careful with pronunciation. A mistake can sound rude. It may sound like shit. It may sound like shit. I want to go to the beach. Vowel length is important. A short vowel changes the meaning. It may sound like bitch. It may sound like bitch. I am a fan. The vowel sound is different. What happens if you mispronounce it? It may sound like fun. It may sound like fun. I will walk there. The L and R sounds are difficult. What could people hear? It may sound like work. It may sound like work. It was a long movie. Be careful with the first sound. Mispronunciation changes the meaning. It may sound like wrong. It may sound like wrong. I use the sink. TH sounds are difficult. What might people hear? It may sound like think. It may sound like think. I am wearing a vest. The B and V sounds matter. What may it sound like? It may sound like best. It may sound like best. I rowed a boat. Watch the B and V sounds. The meaning changes if mispronounced. It may sound like vote. It may sound like vote. I am wearing a cap. The vowel sound matters. What happens if you mispronounce it? It may sound like cup. It may sound like cup. Do you have a hat? Watch the A and O sounds. A different vowel changes the meaning. It may sound like hot. It may sound like hot. I live here. The ending sound matters. Mispronunciation changes the meaning. It may sound like leave. It may sound like leave. I am full. Watch the vowel length. A long vowel changes the meaning. It may sound like fool. It may sound like fool. It may sound like bitch. It may sound like bitch. It may sound like fun. It may sound like fun. It may sound like work. It may sound like work. It may sound like wrong. It may sound like wrong. It may sound like think. It may sound like think. It may sound like best. It may sound like best. It may sound like vote. It may sound like vote. It may sound like cup. It may sound like cup. It may sound like hot. It may sound like hot. It may sound like leave. It may sound like leave. It may sound like fool. It may sound like fool. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.